Hello traders, I hope guys you are having a very good day today and with a lot of good trades. Today was a blessing morning and most of my traders bank amazing profit. I know sometime I get the comments on my YouTube channel that show us the live analysis and they show us the results. Just to let you know guys, the whole purpose of having this YouTube channel wasn't for the marketing purpose, that was for my traders. So at least they can see what activities is being done, and if they have missed any opportunities, they can come back to me through my platform for further training. But at the same time, it's good for the new traders, so they can learn some sort of price action techniques, or if they are thinking that I can add value to their trading journey, so they can join my trading community. So I hope you understand. So let me share with you guys how I analyze market today, this morning, and squeeze amazing pips today. Let's dig into the system. And if you don't want to miss my analysis review in the future, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's dig into the three major currency pair: Euro USD, Pound Dollar, and the Dollar CAD. If you look at the Euro USD, and if you look at, as mentioned yesterday, my analysis, if you haven't seen my yesterday analysis review, please watch that video. Link is given in the video description. So I was expecting this breakout. As you can see here, price this morning develop bearish engulfing candle pattern. So we have this breakout, so beautiful short trade here. Our target was this support level, which we nicely hit. And let me share with you how I analyze the entries. And this morning, as you can see here, from yesterday, we have taken all this long journey, and today, this morning, at the London morning session, as you can see here, a sort of like price develop develop like a head and shoulder pattern. So we were expecting, if the price going to break this previous low, we're expecting a short trade here. We have this bearish engulfing candle too. So we had such a nice beautiful breakout short trade here as soon as the price hit to the support level, and that's what I explained my trade. It's time to enjoy some profit. So we had a beautiful short trade on a Euro USD, and afterwards banking some profit, price nicely reverse, as you can see here. All right, so let's move into the Pound Dollar and cable. We had amazing trade. And as I mentioned in my yesterday analysis, we were looking this breakout. This was the breakout, as I explained to you. And then we have this morning such a beautiful breakout. And explain my trader, just keep taking a pullback short trade here until the price can hit to the support level, which price nicely hit. Let me share with you how I analyze the entries. So this morning, and as you can see here, that was a beautiful I did some analysis at the market open. That was this analysis. I say, guys, let the market break the structure. As you can see here, price broken, and after this breakout, price retest. That's announced this morning. So just keep taking this short trade here. So we have this trade and this trade, as you can see here, sort of like again price developed sort of in previous analysis. You can see head and shoulder pattern, beautiful breakout. After the breakout, price retest, give us the confirmation, and broken on this 4-hour consolidation. After this breakout and banking, and then explain my trader, just keep taking a pullbacks. I say any pullbacks, just keep taking it. So you can see here that I updated that analysis instantly. As you can see here, after banking some profit, updated that analysis, just keep taking pullback. So you can see here, one pullback, second pullback. So we basically announce all these pullbacks through live audio commentary. So just in case some of the traders, they miss this opportunity, so they can join that journey from here, because we have a major structure broken in 4 hours. So that was a beautiful short trade here, bank amazing profit. And let's move into the pound on the dollar CAD. Dollar CAD, we have some sort of like only very small trade, because we are waiting for the high impact news for the dollar, and that's probably going to be 130 CPI data is going to release. Then probably we're going to see some activities. So technically, if you look at, we were seeing that price nicely reverse. So we had, after this bearish bullish engulfing candle, we were expecting a breakout long trade here. We had one small trade here, but we only came out at the break even. So if you look at here, this was the trade, and that's what we're expecting, waiting for the news. So yesterday we have taken long trade here, countered long trade here. In this morning, I did this analysis, explain my trade, let the market break out. Was the market broken, and after the breakout price retest give us the confirmation, that was the good sign. So we have taken a very small short trade, which technically we came out of the break even, but we had amazing trade on pound dollar and the pound yen too. Let me explain to you the pound yen. We had amazing trade, guys. You can see here pound yen in 4 hour, and we were expecting, you know, this breakout. If you look at here, price nicely respected previously, and the price nicely basically broken this previous, you can see here, previous high. So price trap into this between support and resistance. So we were expecting this breakout, either pullback or either breakout. The safest way we're looking for this breakout. So price nicely broken after the breakout. As you can see here, price came back and retest. That give us the confirmation, and we have taken all this pullback short trade here. Target was this level, which nicely hit. Let me share with you the entries. That was a pretty straightforward, amazing trades, all the pound pairs, guys, this morning. Okay, so you can see here, this was the this morning analysis. We had even yesterday we have taken short trade here. This was the counter short trade here at this level, and after that this morning I said to my trader, look for here, we can see here, that's basically explained this is purely market manipulation, because the price has broken here, but price did not respect this level, as you can see here, and that's what explains. So now we're expecting another pullback. So any pullback at this level, you can see here 1, 2nd and 3rd touch, take a short trade here and keep taking a pullbacks, because the price broke on the major structure. So we have this pullback short trade here, another pullback, another pullback. So we announce all these analysis, all these trades through live audio commentary, and based on the momentum, banking few pips. Once the price is respecting the previous low, I said to trader, bank some profit and let's see another breakout. And that's basically broadcasted another one. Look for this breakout, which price nicely broken. As soon as the price hit to the fib channel, as you can see here, support level, and that's what I explained to my traders, bank some profit and let's wait for another pattern. As you can see here, price nicely reversed. As mentioned, my traders, we should be only looking at counter long trade if the price gonna break the recent high. You can see here this one. So otherwise we have another wedge breakout, and if the price gonna break, that's the sign of continuation of short here, otherwise long here. So we have, you can see here, price refused to break this previous, and we have this one, and price retest, another pullback. Beautiful. As soon as the price trying to develop this, respecting the previous high, previous lows, explain my traders, time to enjoy some profit, and let's see what happens. So after that, you can see here price nicely reversed, even develop inverted head and shoulder pattern, and we have banked amazing profit. All right, guys, I hope you enjoy all this analysis. As always mentioned, this is the interesting part of it. If you want to watch all these analysis in real time with the live audio commentary support, I'm pretty sure you can enjoy trading and you can bank amazing profit. Even if you are struggling in forex trading, this is what exactly I'm mentioning it, that I train my traders with the live market in real time through live intraday analysis, so they can understand how the market structure works, how the fundamental, you know, make impact to the trading, and what time to trade, when time not to trade. So during all this process, once they develop a trading skill and develop a, consistency results, then I can also help them to get funded from the pop firm. So I hope you understand. If you are interested how I coach and train my trader with the live market every single day through live intraday analysis, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description. I have a very limited slot, so most welcome. Join my fast growing trading community. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening and stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.